Welcome, viewers. Today, we'll uncover the secrets to success and financial freedom. Success isn't just about hard work, it's about smart choices. Stay with me as we explore how the right mindset and decisions can transform your life. Success and money are two of the most sought-after achievements in life. Everyone desires financial stability, freedom, and the ability to live life on their terms. However, the journey to achieving success and accumulating wealth is not just about hard work, it is about making smart choices. The decisions we make, the mindset we adopt, and the habits we cultivate play a crucial role in shaping our financial destiny. Money and success are not just about luck, they are the result of strategic thinking, continuous learning, and disciplined execution. Many people dream of financial independence, yet few take the right steps to achieve it. The key lies in understanding the principles that govern money and success, and then applying them consistently in life. Every wealthy and successful person has a unique story, but there are common patterns and strategies that they follow. One of the most fundamental aspects of success is mindset. A person's mindset determines how they perceive challenges, failures, and opportunities. Those with a growth mindset believe that abilities and intelligence can be developed through effort and learning. They see failures as stepping stones and opportunities for growth rather than as setbacks. On the other hand, those with a fixed mindset often limit themselves, believing that their talents and capabilities are predetermined. The path to financial success begins with cultivating a growth mindset, being open to learning, and embracing change. Financial education is another crucial factor. Many people spend years in formal education but never learn how to manage money effectively. Schools teach various subjects, but financial literacy is often overlooked. Understanding concepts such as budgeting, investing, saving, and debt management is essential for building wealth. People who accumulate significant wealth are often those who take the time to educate themselves about money, learn how it works, and make informed decisions. Smart financial choices also involve living below one's means. Many people increase their spending as soon as their income rises, falling into the trap of lifestyle inflation. True wealth is built by maintaining a balance between earning and spending, prioritizing savings and investments, and ensuring that money is working for you. This requires discipline and the ability to delay gratification. Those who master this art find themselves financially secure in the long run. Another key aspect of success and wealth is the ability to take calculated risks. Many of the world's most successful individuals have taken bold steps and ventured into the unknown. Whether it's starting a business, investing in stocks, or pursuing an unconventional career, success often comes to those who are willing to step outside their comfort zones. However, this does not mean taking reckless risks. Smart choices involve thorough research, planning, and an understanding of potential outcomes before making a move. Surrounding oneself with the right people is another game changer. The people we associate with influence our thinking, habits, and decisions. Successful individuals often have mentors, advisors, and like-minded peers who support and challenge them. Learning from others who have already achieved what one desires can provide valuable insights and shortcuts to success. Networking with people who share similar goals and values can open doors to new opportunities and collaborations. Time management plays a significant role in achieving financial success. Time is a non-renewable resource, and how one utilizes it determines their level of success. Successful individuals prioritize tasks that contribute to their long-term goals. They avoid distractions, focus on high-value activities, and make the most of every moment. Effective time management allows one to work smarter rather than harder, ensuring that efforts translate into meaningful results. Building multiple streams of income is another smart financial strategy. Relying on a single source of income can be risky, as unexpected situations such as job loss or economic downturns can create financial instability. Successful people understand the importance of diversification. They explore different avenues such as investments, businesses, and passive income sources to create financial security. The more streams of income one has, the less dependent they are on any single source. Investing is a crucial element in the journey to wealth. Simply earning money is not enough. Making money work for you is the key to long-term financial success. Investing in stocks, real estate, or businesses allows money to grow over time. The power of compounding plays a significant role in wealth accumulation. Those who start investing early and remain consistent reap significant rewards in the long run. However, investing requires knowledge, patience, and strategic planning. Self-discipline is one of the defining characteristics of successful individuals. Many people desire success, but few are willing to put in the consistent effort required to achieve it. Discipline means waking up early, staying focused, managing expenses wisely, and resisting temptations that do not contribute to long-term goals. It is the ability to make sacrifices today for a better future. Those who master self-discipline find it easier to build wealth and achieve success. One must also learn to adapt to change. The world is constantly evolving, and those who resist change often find themselves struggling. Successful individuals embrace new technologies, trends, and opportunities. They are willing to unlearn outdated methods and adopt new strategies that align with the changing world. This adaptability ensures that they remain relevant and continue to grow financially. Giving back is another important factor that many successful people emphasize. Wealth is not just about accumulating money, it is also about making a difference. Many of the world's richest individuals are also generous philanthropists. They understand that true success is measured by the impact one has on others. Giving back not only helps those in need but also creates a sense of fulfillment and purpose. Achieving financial success is not about shortcuts or overnight riches. It is a journey that requires commitment, learning, and persistence. The decisions we make daily shape our financial future. Whether it is saving, investing, managing time wisely, or making informed career choices, every decision plays a role in determining success. By focusing on smart choices, cultivating the right mindset, and taking consistent action, anyone can achieve financial success and live a life of abundance. Success and financial freedom are within your reach. It all comes down to the smart choices you make every day. Stay focused, keep learning, and take action toward your goals. Remember, wealth isn't just about money, it's about value, discipline, and persistence. Thank you for being a part of this journey. Keep striving, stay motivated, and make every choice count. Goodbye, and see you at the top.